India is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great-grandmother of tradition. Our most valuable and most constructive materials in the history of man are treasured up in India only.
A great morning to one and all present here. I, Ashif Jain,
And I, Dhruv Barot,
we welcome you all to celebrate our 75th Independence Day.
It is rightly said, perfect courage means doing unwitnessed what one would be capable of doing before the whole world.
Every single Indian is filled up with this perfect courage as we stand together to put up a determined fight for the life-threatening disease with brave Corona warriors all along the country, marching forward with nation first, always first mantra.
At the same time, our brave soldiers are safeguarding our frontier from our neighbors.
Let's salute these Indians who have not let the spirit of true India down in this testing time.
This Independence Day will echo the voice of every Indian that we will overcome our every odds. With this sentiment, I welcome our honorable chief guest, Ms. Ruta Yatnalkar, management members of Bhagini Seva Mandir Kumarika Stri Mandal, principals, teachers, head girl Avni Jain, and head boy Piyush Jha for the flag hosting ceremony, followed by national anthem and flag song.
की जाने पाए चाहे जाने जान भरेगी जाए, शान न इसकी जाने पाए, चाहे जान भरेगी जाए, विश्व विजय करके दिखलाए, तब होवे पूर्ण हमारा, तब होवे पूर्ण हमारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा।
है अमन की पहचान यह मेरा देश का झंडा, लहराए आसमान पर यह भारत का तिरंगा।
I welcome our head girl, Miss Avni Jain, to express her views on this occasion.
Culture resides in the heart and the soul of its people. Today, let us remember the golden heritage of our country India and feel proud to be a part of it. Our honorable chief guest of the day, management members, Principal Dr. Sujata Rai, teachers and all my dear friends. I convey my heartiest greetings to you all on our 75th Independence Day. On this auspicious day, let us gratefully remember our freedom fighters and martyrs whose sacrifices have enabled us to live in an independent nation. Our nation has gone through many difficult times, including wars, and has emerged victorious. Today, we are collectively facing a COVID-19 pandemic threat which has hurt our lives. Let us join hands in an endeavor with a strong belief that better days are ahead of us if we remain united, resolute and responsible. India under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan has been marching forward to make the country independent and to help in empowering the poor migrants and laborers. I express my gratitude to all doctors, nurses, NGOs, political parties, social media, family and friends for standing strong and shielding us through this pandemic. India is being driven by the power of its knowledge. Our teachers have smoothly shifted to online teaching so that the learning of the student continues. High spirits and hard work have made COVID-19 vaccination drive success in many states of India. Today, women work shoulder to shoulder with men. Girl power bringing laurels to the country. Saika Mirabai Chanu, P.V. Sindhu, Sania Mirza, Hima Das, and the list goes on. Proud to see Indian girls flying high on the world stage. But there are still waters to cover, still gaps to fill, and still tears to wipe. Let us not miss out on something very crucial, our roles, our duties. We have a lot to offer to the global community, especially for intellectual and spiritual enrichment. As Mahatma Gandhi ji rightly said, be the change you want to see in the world. With this spirit, I offer a prayer for the well-being of one and all. May all be happy. May all see what is auspicious. May no one come to grief. A very purposeful and happy Independence Day. Jai Hind!
Thank you, Avni. You have rightly stressed a lot of responsibility rests on all shoulders.
Saluting India, saluting the brave hearts who made their supreme sacrifice in a service to the nation. Let our soul soar high with the essence of freedom with our next patriotic song.
I welcome our choir group.
स्वतंत्र हुआ भारत जय हिंद मिलाना, स्वतंत्र हुआ भारत जय हिंद मिलाना, स्वतंत्र हुआ भारत जय हिंद मिलाना। आज का दिन है कितना सुहाना, इसका मतलब हम सबने है जाना। तोड़ने को गुलामी की जंजीर, कर गए वीर खुद को निशाना। आजाद किए उनसे बहने लगी है धारा, आजाद किए उनसे बहने लगी है धारा। स्वतंत्र हुआ भारत जय हिंद मिला नारा, स्वतंत्र हुआ भारत जय हिंद मिला नारा, स्वतंत्र हुआ भारत जय हिंद मिला नारा। याद कर लो शहीदों को अपने, तो गए उनसे साकार सपने। देश पर जान अपनी लुटाकर, राज अपने तिरंगे की रखने। देशभक्ति के आगे दुश्मन भी उनसे हारा, देशभक्ति के आगे दुश्मन भी उनसे हारा। स्वतंत्र हुआ भारत जय हिंद मिला नारा, स्वतंत्र हुआ भारत जय हिंद मिला नारा, स्वतंत्र हुआ भारत जय हिंद मिला नारा।
Melodious. I'm proud to be an Indian. आनंद पुलकित होकर आंखों से प्रेत अश्रु बरसाए, आपसी वैरभाव मिटाकर एक दूसरे को गले लगाए। Now I welcome Deyan Patel to express his views.
सर्वप्रथम यहाँ उपस्थित मुख्य अतिथि प्राचार्य शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों को मेरा नमस्ते। आज हम सभी यहाँ स्वतंत्रता दिवस को मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। हर व्यक्ति को आजाद रहने की इच्छा होती है। हम भारतीयों को भी अपने तकरीबन 300 सालों की गुलामी से आजाद रहने की इच्छा थी। सन 1857 में मंगल पांडे द्वारा अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ बगावत करके आजादी की पहली बिगुल बजाई गई। के बाद से कई क्रांतिकारियों और महापुरुषों ने अपने अपने तरीके से आजादी की लड़ाई लड़ी और अंततः 15 अगस्त 1947 को हमारा भारत देश आजाद हो गया। आज हम खुली हवा में बिना किसी बंधन के सांस ले रहे हैं। किसी प्रकार का भय नहीं है अब हमारे मन में, और यह सब हम इसलिए कर पा रहे हैं क्योंकि हम आजाद हैं। मैं सदा उन क्रांतिवीरों का ऋणी रहूंगा जिनके बलिदानों के कारण आज मैं आप सबके सामने बिना किसी बंधन के अपने विचारों को रख पा रहा हूँ। अंत में मैं इन पंक्तियों के माध्यम से उन महापुरुषों को नमन करता हूँ। आजादी के पावन अवसर पर हमें आज तिरंगा फहराना है। श्रद्धांजलि अर्पण कर अमर ज्योति पर विजय विश्व का गीत गाना है। धन्यवाद। जय
Go.
Thank you, Deyan, for your inspiring message. Now I would request our Honorable Chief Guest, Ms. Ruta Yatnalkar, to address the audience.
A warm good morning to one and all present here and a very happy Independence Day. I feel very blessed to stand and speak from this podium of enlightenment. This is a place where Mother Saraswati resides and nurtures young minds who are the future of this aspiring country. It was the year 2008 when I became the part of this organization, where I received my first school ID as a playgroup student. I don't remember what I felt on the first day of school, but I do remember that I had cried the whole day. From that cry baby I was 13 years ago to a responsible teenager I have become now. It is only and only because of all the principals, my dear teachers and the support staff of the school. And my words cannot express how much you mean to me. More than materialistic things like certificates and medals I have received, I have a treasure trove filled with emotions and learnings from you all. Thank you again and again and again for all the love and care which you have showered on me and for molding a strong base for my future. Let us continue the celebrations for this auspicious day. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, Ruta, for your inspiring words. If every single child performs his duty religiously, then surely we can achieve India of our dreams. To make this day more special, here comes the shining stars of Kalyandeep to showcase their talent.
आओ बच्चों तुम्हें सिखाए जाके हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। तुम्हें सिखाए जाके हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। उत्तर में रखवाली करता पर्वतराज विराज है, दक्षिण में चरणों को धोता सागर का सम्राट है। जमुना जी के तट को देखो गंगा का ये घाट है, बाट बाट में हाट हाट में यहाँ निराला टाट है। देखो ये तस्वीरें अपने गौरव की अभिमान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। ये है अपना राजपुताना, राजे से तलवारों पे, जिसने सारा जीवन काटा बरसी तीर कटारों पे। ये प्रताप का वतन पला है आजादी के नारों पे, बून पड़ी है यहाँ हजारों अंगारों पे। बोल रही है कण कण से कुर्बानी राजस्थान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। देखो मुल्क मराठों का है या शिवाजी दौला था, मुगलों की ताकत को उसने तलवारों से तोड़ा था। हर पत्थर एक आग जली थी, हर पत्थर एक शोला था, बोली हर हर महादेव की बच्चा बच्चा बोला था। शेर शिवाजी ने रखी लाज हमारी शान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
नन्ना मुन्ना राई हो, देश का सिपाही हो, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। नन्ना मुन्ना राई हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। रास्ते पे चलूँगा न डर डर के, चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मर मर के। मंजिल से पहले रहूँगा कहीं दम, आगे भी आगे बढ़ाऊँगा कदम। देने बाय दम। नन्ना मुन्ना राई हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। टूटने से पसीना जा रहा, हरे हरे खेत में मेरा रहा। धरती पे बाकी नहीं जम, आगे भी आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम। देने बाय दम। नन्ना मुन्ना राई हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
influence and not authority. With this note, I welcome our Honorable Principal, Dr. Sujata Rai, to address all of us.
Good morning, parents, teachers, and my dear students. On behalf of our President, Srimati Meenaben Dwivediya, and other management members of MP Shah English High School, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, on 15th of August, we celebrate India's 75th Independence Day. 75 years of freedom and prosperity. Our incredible India has come a long way since 1947, beating all the odds and rising above every evil. This independence we celebrate courage, grit, and determination. As many of you know, Tokyo Olympics is currently taking place in Japan, and India has won its first track and field medal this year. Our athletes Meeraben Charu and Neeraj Chopra have done our country proud. But today, I would like to talk about something else, something we all must know and would be proud about, the Paralympics. Just like the Olympics, all other enthusiastic athletes from around the world gather to compete in the Paralympics. But the only difference is that these athletes are differently abled. Even though all these athletes have either non-functional legs, arms or eyes, they still rise above all their problems and compete on a multinational scale, showing bravery, courage and determination. We also must learn from them how to face problems and stand strong. We too must focus on our goal and be determined towards what we want. So together, let's make a promise to ourselves that we shall always be courageous and learn to face any problem and be determined in achieving the most. So one day, we can make ourselves, our parents and our country proud. Stay safe, take care of yourself. Jai Hind, and once again wishing you all a very happy Independence Day.
Thank you, madam. It was our pleasure to hear from you how we as a student can contribute towards the progress of our nation.
A warm and graceful morning to our most honorable chief guest, Ms. Ruta Yatnalkar, Management Committee, principals, CC Choksi members, teachers, parents, and the entire MP Shah English High School. It is my privilege to purpose a vote of thanks on our 75th Independence Day celebration. कोई भी देश perfect नहीं होता, उसे perfect बनाना पड़ता है. Yes, I am proud to be an Indian. I take pride in my Indian identity. We have all the potential power to be one. As rightly mentioned, this responsibility lies on the youth of this country. With you, me, with us, and I am very much sure that every young MP Shah English High School student here feels the same zeal and enthusiasm to make our country great. On behalf of my school, I extend a great thanks to our chief guest, Ms. Ruta Yatnalkar. My gratitude to all the speakers for gracing this occasion and sharing their opinions today. A special mention to our respected principal, Dr. Sujata Rai, to stimulate us and to do our best and stand as a pillar of strength. I am immensely thankful to Master Dhruv Barrett and Ms. Sashi Jain for their efforts towards anchoring today. Thanks to all our rising stars who had made this event joyful with their impressive performances. With a deep sense of appreciation, I thank to our loving teachers, student committee, organizing teams, all the people who have worked behind the scene to make this event happen. Our technical arrangement team and the housekeeping staff, without you, this event would not have happened so successful. Let us have a big round of applause for all. Now, I declare this event closed. Thank you once again. Vande Mataram!